I'm Lesley Logan. Welcome back to my studio here in Los Angeles. Today we are discussing the double leg kick. I think this exercise is as misunderstood as a single leg kick, and not in the way that people do it, it's just where they think they should feel it. And it's really hard when we're on our stomachs to understand that we're totally not necessarily doing something right. Because remember, in our bodies and in our life, everything's in forward motion, so we can't see our back body. So it's just really hard to understand what the heck's going on back there. So a couple things of the double leg kick. It really is another level of the single leg kick. It is not about reaching your arms down and back so much that you lock out your wrists, lock out your elbows, and then actually don't stretch your shoulders. You just kind of hang off of your shoulders. We want to develop the muscle tone here around our shoulder blades, because what is coming up in the rest of the mat series is going to require some deep openness in the chest and some major strength here. And so the double leg kick is this great spot in the mat order, I think, where we've done all this flexion stuff, and then the swan and the single leg kick happen. But if you hadn't already learned how to connect to your back, you're going to do it here. So the next time you do your mat, hopefully when you're in your 100 and your ab series and your spine stretch forward, you understand how to connect to these muscles. So as we do the double leg kick, be mindful of a couple things. How much are you actually connecting to your back? And how much are you feeling this in the back of your legs, right? And like, how much are you connecting to your equipment? So when you lie on your stomach, you take your hands high up on your back. So some people, that's here. Some people, it's up here. Don't interlace your fingers and do funky stuff like this. Instead, layer your hands. So I have one hand on top of the other. My thumb kind of pinches down, and then you let your elbows fall where they may. Now, here's the hard part. Everybody is tight generally in their lower back, so their booty looks like this. And I know it's gonna sound weird, but I need you to reach your tailbone really long and meet the front of your thighs into the mat. So I'm not pushing my lower back down. Notice what that does. I'm actually reaching my hips and my thigh bones towards the mat. It kind of makes my low belly come off the mat, or at least into my spine, right? Then when I kick both heels to my seat, I don't want to see this. See how my butt's twerking? Oof, it doesn't even feel good on the back. I want you to see your heels pull to your seat 3 times, and you should feel all of this turn on, right? Then I push my feet down, and instead of going back with my head, I pull my heart forward and I lift my arms more up than back. So I'm not doing that. I'm trying to lift my arms up. I feel a stretch across the front of my shoulders and chest, and I feel major muscle connection there. Then I lower down, I look the other way. Press your hips down, kick. 1, 2, 3. Push the feet down, lift the hands up. So the palms of my hands are going up to the ceiling, and instead of my head going back, I'm keeping my neck long, no wrinkles, and pulling my heart forward. So it's not very Cirque du Soleil or back bendy. Some of us will get higher and higher and higher off the mat, but you're looking for the longest back extension. So the more you can actually open the front of your hips and your lower back, the more you're going to feel your hamstrings and your seat, and you're going to work the extension, your upper back, which with today's day and age, we all need to do a little bit more of. You'll also feel an actual real stretch across your shoulders as opposed to just pulling on them, okay? So watch out for those wrists, locked elbows, and hyperextended shoulders, and work more for length in your upper back. I'm Lesley Logan. For more videos like this, please subscribe below. You can check out all of our free tutorials and our 30-minute mat classes at onlinepilatesclasses.com. Thank you so much for watching.